Hello viewers. Today was today's our topic about how to design buttons in Divi Builder, like a comment button, a cross button, and a beautiful hover button. So how we can do this? I already created three buttons and a basic design. Okay, so go to button number one and go to advanced and custom CSS and main element. You can paste your CSS here. Okay, now it's looking very bad, so we can go to the spacing and add some padding to the bottom. I think 33 will be good. So number one button is done now, and number two, we can add some CSS to the main element. Go to advanced, custom CSS, main element, and add some CSS property like these. Okay, so we done the two buttons. Now the third one button, open it and add some CSS. I will add the now in the main element you can add your CSS here for the third button, and per hour you can add you can click on the hover button, then on in the hover you can paste this these properties. So you can we will done this. Thank you, and